a blessing. Wait for a chance. Where I'm from, if you want it, you earn it, earn it, earn it, earn it. Yeah, street light shining through the broken blinds. Young mind racing through 1,000 signs. Cold nights, carving lessons in the soul. Teaching what the world never told. Oh, sneakers, walking endless blocks. Dreams bigger than the ticking clocks. Pocket empty, vision wide. Fire burning deep inside. Mama said stay sharp, stay strong. Even when the road feels wrong. Every scar across the skin shows the war you had to win. Every fall taught discipline. Every loss reshaped the skin. Every doubt became a spark. Lighting pressure in the dark. Used to stare at city towers high, thinking maybe someday I could fly. Past the doubts they tried to plan, past the limits they would change. Friends faded in a heavy grind, some got lost in a crooked line. In the rain, every breath reminds the vision. Nothing here is given. Pressure built the iron soul. Hard days shaped the final goal. Every star became a sign, saying this moment is mine. Earn, not given. Built this life I'm living, earn, not given. Now the vision's risen. Every grind, every mission, every scar, every decision. From the dark I was driven. Earn, not given. Yeah. Now the skyline feels so near, but the hunger's still right here. Every heartbeat in the chest, drumming louder than the rest. Used to walk through silent pain, now the storm runs through my veins. Every verse becomes a spotlight and hope inside the dark. People see the clown today, they don't know the price you pay. They ain't seen a sleepless night, so the endless ain't no fights. Every brick inside the throne was a battle fought alone. Every step up